Welcome to T Mike's shop. This is going to be interesting. T Mike's got an injury.
Ouchie.
I got trigger finger. Too much fishing, too much riding a four-wheeler, too much fillet knife. I can't hardly grip a screwdriver. I'm wounded and I got work to do. I got a mail-in repair job that came in and I can't operate the tools, so I got my buddy here.
Hi!
This is Trenton.
Yeah!
That's my godchild nephew's son. He's been in my videos before, and he's actually got his own YouTube channel. What's the name of your YouTube channel?
It's a little long. T-Trent Computer Fixer and Gamer. I just post random stuff. I don't know what I'm doing.
T-Trenton. So you got T Mike and T-Trenton.
No,
So-
T-Trent.
What is it?
T-Trent. I
T-
didn't want to put my actual name.
Oh, T-Trick?
Trent.
T-R-E-N-T?
Yeah.
T-Trent. T-R-E-N-T. Yeah. All right. So he's never worked on a carburetor before. He's been around me. He knows what it's all about. And you know we're saving the hobby, right? Saving the hobby, making money. So here's a youngster. I'm going to teach how to clean a carburetor. And I'm going to video and document that. So if everybody's ready, let's get started.
Let's go do it.
Let's go do it. All right. So I'm going to open up the package here. This comes from John Dinesh from Annadale, Minnesota. Mail and repair on a carburetor. Let's see what he's got. Here's a package. Inside the package, he's got a note. It says, T Mike, thank you for fixing this. Bolt motor was disassembled, model FD12, 18 horsepower, Johnson. He enclosed the carb kit. That's pretty cool. And he enclosed some mola. That's always good, right, T-Trent?
Yeah. Money.
All right, what do we got in here? Yeah, here's the carburetor body. Here's the bowl. And here's all the pieces disassembled. So I'm gonna get T-Trent here to lay it all out here, and then we're gonna have him put it into Chem Dip for 45 minutes, and then we're gonna clean it and let T-Trent put it back together. All right, you ready, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, grab that and lay it out here. All right, so he's got it all laid out. Let's put the big parts here, and then just kind of spread out all those parts. All right, now what I would do is I'd take all the small pieces and put them inside that bowl right there so we can drop it in there. Now we're going to open the Chem Dip, which is very corrosive material, time, and put it in the basket. There you go. Drop it in.
Magic.
Magic. Okay, T-Trent, 45 minutes. 45 minutes. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's set the timer and we'll come back and take her out.
Wait.
All right, it's been 45 minutes, T-Trent.
Hello.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, take the cover off. Be careful, he's got the gloves on now. Basket down in there and set it in the soapy water.
Quick.
All right, we're gonna let it all soak up, and then we're gonna take it out and let it dry.
I get to spin again. No, next. Hot.
Okay, T-Trent's got everything all laid out. Now we're gonna open up the carb kit. Kind of get organized with that for the carb kit so we can replace the parts. Okay, T-Trent's got the package open, got all the new gaskets and new parts. Are you ready, T-Trent, to put it back together?
Yeah.
Here we go.
On to the next part.
All right, T-Trent's gonna be my hands here. Okay, so this is the bottom bowl. Okay, so we're gonna take this jet right here, and we're looking for. Okay, let's put it all together now. So we take. Bottom down. No, force it. That's snug. That's snug. Okay, now we're going to tighten this up a little bit. Okay, now the low speed on top is out 1.5 turns, so you're going to come out 1.5. Okay, turn it this way. Whoop, that's the wrong way. It's this way. All right, so we're going to go 1.5 turns. So come out 1.5. Right, hold it right there. Here. You just hold the hammer to make it stay in place. Okay. Got the wells plug in. Now, all we got left is the knobs. Okay, here's the choke knob. We did it! Yeah. My backup had my back, came through in the clutch, rebuilt the carburetor for me, saving the hobby. This is the future of our hobby. T-Trent and people like him that can do the work. So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, and here's your next video, because here at T-Mike's, we're doing it one carburetor at a time.
And subscribe to me.
Subscribe to T-Trent. Don't forget T-Trent.
Yeah.